Bluey and Bingo skipped across the garden, tails wagging, ears twitching, shouting, "Look! By the pond!" A tiny duckling waddled, clumsy, peeping loud, "Quack! Quack!" Bluey's eyes sparkled. "It's a baby duck!" Bingo gasped, "So cute! Could one small sound feel so magical?" Bluey and Bingo tiptoed closer, giggling, "Shh, don't scare it." The duckling flapped tiny wings, wobbling side to side, falling gently on soft grass. Muffin and Socks ran over, squealing, "Can we pet it?" Bluey nodded, "Careful! It's fragile." Could curiosity feel this tender? Bluey and Bingo crouched low, the duckling pecked gently at their paws, peeping happy. Bingo laughed, "He thinks we're family." Muffin whispered, "He's following you, Bluey." Bluey's ears perked, tail wagging, "Does that make me Mama Duck?" Could imagination feel this real? Bluey and Bingo led the duckling across the yard, waddling silly, arms out, tails bouncing. Muffin and Socks joined, marching behind like a parade. "Quack squat," they shouted, giggling loud. The duckling squeaked, flapping faster to keep up. Could playtime feel this adorable? Suddenly, the duckling waddled toward the sandbox, stumbling near the edge. Bluey leapt quick, scooping it safe. "Got you!" Bingo gasped, "That was close." Muffin clapped, "Hero Bluey." Socks wagged, "You saved him." Could one tiny rescue feel so heroic? Bluey and Bingo built a soft nest with leaves and grass, laying the duckling gently inside. The baby curled up, peeping soft, eyes closing. Bluey whispered, "Sweet dreams, little one." Bingo hugged Bluey, "You're the best Mama Duck ever." Could friendship and care feel this warm? Finally, as the sun dipped low, the ducklings snuggled safe, friends gathered close, laughter echoing. Bluey turned to the camera, tail wagging, holding the tiny duck gently. If you loved our adventure with the baby duck, hit like, tap subscribe, and join us for more fun, love, and magical moments. The garden glowed, ducklings sleeping, friends smiling, tails wagging. Could one tiny friend bring so much joy?